Westermans here with another AMI 307 this time. Arrived with a 9-1500 weld head. Nice trolley and torch holder or head clamp. Machine runs on a single phase 110 or 220 supply. Touch screen or mouse can be used. Quick functioning test on the machine. Obviously we've also got the pendant control here. As you can see, the machine appears to be doing exactly what it should do. More orbital welders in stock from various other different manufacturers. Swage Lock, AMI, ESAB, Polysude, Magnatech, Axair and many more. Also other welding equipment, hand machine tools, CNC plasmas, lathes, automatic process, basic MIGs and TIGs. Basically anything in engineering you need, the chances are we have it in stock or we can locate it. These machines are also available for hire with the various different heads going from as little as 3mm all the way up to the big 6-inch heads, and then onto 79 series with wire and open heads with oscillation and ABC. Like I say, more details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.